Hi, I'm George Steimer, Product Manager with TSG. If you're following along in the TSG Compliance Solution demo series, we're building upon a scenario where we want to update our disaster recovery SOP, specifically to add a new server to the Thursday backup schedule. In this demo, we have our change request, and we're going to focus on the route for review process. So we are here in HPI. We can see our change request document here, and it's attached to the SOP that we've updated. And we want to start a review route. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, by default, the compliance solution will automatically choose the approvers as reviewers. But since it's sort of an open review cycle, I could add or remove people as I like. In this case, I'm just going to send it to Alice to save on time. So I'm going to go ahead and start the review. And this is going to do a couple of things. First, it promotes the form to an in review status. And it also does the same thing to the document. And in our case, the settings are such that the document cannot be modified during the review cycle. So I can jump back to my document, and I can see that it's waiting on Alice. So now I'm going to log in as Alice, and she will see that she has a review task. She'll also have received an email where she can click directly to the task. And one of the options here is to complete the review. Typically during a review cycle, what the reviewers are doing if they have comments is adding annotations. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to open Annotate. And we're going to say that maybe maybe we need a little bit more detail here. So I can add highlight and put a message in here. So we can go ahead and save our annotations and then jump back over to HPI. Where we can actually see the annotations in line in the HPI view here. We can also see a little chat bubble that lights up just in case this is a very long document. Maybe there's an annotation, down on the 25th page or something like that. We can also do the same thing to the document. Let's just say maybe we had a change come through and we want all of our documents to have a consistent title. So I could draw an arrow here and maybe add a sticky note. Go ahead and save these annotations as well. So heading back to our form, we're going to now complete our review task. So now I'm going to log back in as my user and head back over to my form. And now I can see that the annotations that she's added. Now we're going to make some changes based on Alice's feedback. So I'll resume editing the form, and I'll just jump quickly to that page. So this will update the form. And I can see there's no longer any annotations. But if I wanted to, I could view the versions and even view side by side what has changed. And I'll just quickly do the same thing to the document. Make a change here. So I'll update it in its native format. And for this, let's just say we need to make this bigger. Now go ahead and check in my changes. That's it for this demo. Thanks for listening. Be sure to follow along in the next demo with the TSG Compliance Solution demo series, where we're going to show how to route the change request and document for approval.